Hello guys, my name's Kit, and this is the unboxing of the folding Bluetooth keyboard by iWerkz. Alright, so here's the front. I'll zoom in so that you guys can see here. Hopefully it's properly focused, I'm not really sure. Then here's the back here. I'm not really sure if that's focused actually. That looks focused. Okay, so here, back, you can pause, look at it, blah blah blah. Here's the front. Okay. Now then, let's open this bad boy up. So, when you get it, there's gonna be a sticker right here keeping it together. So let's cut that open. And then afterwards, all you need to do is basically slide this out, then lift the box open. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Clavier Bluetooth Universal Pliable. Let's see, instruction manual stuff. Okay, cool. And then here's the keyboard itself, and here's the wire used to charge the keyboard. It's a micro USB, I believe. Yeah, basically. Alright, so let's take this stuff. Actually, I'm gonna put this back here. And then, okay, alright. I'm gonna put this aside for now. Alright, so the keyboard itself is gonna be placed in this rubbery package thingy. So I'm just gonna pull out the sticky part. Cool, okay. Like so. Get it out. And here's the keyboard. The first thing I noticed is that it has a rubbery feel to it. I like the feel of this, okay? And then how do I okay, so mobile holder, what is this? Let's take this out. Could I take it out? Oh, I see. So this thing is basically a case to hold the keyboard in. So yeah, that's cool. That's neat. Then this is the keyboard itself. I'll bring out a ruler. Let's see. Ruler. I have a bunch of those. And though you can see them online, here's real-time demonstration. So about zoom in here. About 5.75 by, let's see, 5.75 by 3.1. Alright, and to compare, this is the Nexus 5. So basically about the same size and a little bit out here. So yeah, Nexus 5 compared with that. Focus. Cool. I should make it autofocus. Alright, and then to compare with something tangible, maybe you don't have a Nexus 5. Here's a quarter. So yeah. Alright, so let's open up this keyboard, and ooh, looks cool, looks great. And this is what the keyboard looks like. It has an off-on switch right here. I'll zoom in so that you guys could see. Okay, just the full swoop of the keyboard. I'm liking the feel. It feels like an Apple keyboard. Let's see, how would I type? Hello, my name is Kit. Alright, let's test this keyboard out. I have my Nexus 5 here. I think I could connect it to the Bluetooth. Here's Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn it on. Alright, there's an LED indicator showing that it's on. Search for devices. Let's see, how does this work? Let's look at the back here. Nothing really in the back. Okay. Up here there's a USB port to charge. You can't really connect this keyboard into to your computer unless you have a Bluetooth device. This port here, if you connect this to the computer, it'll only charge. It won't make the keyboard work. I'm not sure if that's how I should say it. Connect. Oh, yep. Here's the keyboard. Gonna connect it there. Bluetooth pairing request. To pair with Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard, type on it 33. Okay, 33721 and press enter or yep. Okay, now the keyboard is connected. And let's see, I'm gonna go to an app that might work. Let's see, let's try to find Quick Office. Okay, here it is. Quick Office, new document. Okay, so here's Quick Office. Oh, I'm not used to this. Oh wow, backspace is up here. That's odd. The backspace right here is only like this tiny button. They could have like increased it maybe a little bit to like here. That's something I don't really like. Okay, so let's try this. Oh boy, fine. Okay, I could get used to this keyboard. It's really nice though. It's extremely portable. Look at this. It's about the same, a little bit. Actually, it's about the same width. Is that the right depth? It's about the same depth as the Nexus 5. So yeah, you could put this in your pocket. I don't know why you would want to though, but yeah. Really nice keyboard. I bought this from Amazon for how much? $30 with tax, I believe. Let's see. So there's a magnet right here. There's a magnet here, and there's the metal body here. So when you connect it like this, it's going to stay connected magnetically. Let's see. There's also the internet button here. What does that do? Let's see. So clicking the internet button opens up this. Oh, so you could go onto the internet. It's cool. And then you could scroll using the keyboard. Let's see, the Windows button. What will it do for this? Nothing? Okay. Control. There's FN control, which has this little keyboard button. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up. Let's see what that does. Nothing really. Okay. Let's see. There's FN. Shift FN. FN2 makes it search, I think. So I'm gonna try it. FN2. Oh, so it goes onto the search bar, and we could go into YouTube.com. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah. What else? Next thing. I originally bought this to kinda replace my Surface Pro 2 keyboard, but looking at it now, it won't really replace it. But I might return it, but then again, I actually really like this. It's pretty cool. So here's the Surface Pro 2 keyboard compared to this keyboard right here. It's way more tiny than the Surface Pro 2, Surface Pro keyboard. I'm gonna try opening it up. Okay, putting on the back lid so that you guys can see better. So here's another comparison. Surface Pro 2 keyboard with the Bluetooth keyboard. Then let's see. Gonna go up. Oh shoot. Alright, so I'm gonna take this out. Okay, and then this keyboard. Oh, here's a comparison with the Surface Pro 2. It's about slightly larger than the Surface Pro 2 by width. And let's see. Maybe I should try. Okay. Maybe I should try a typing test on this. I'm going to, let me see this. I'm going to go off, turn off Bluetooth. My bad. The whatchamacallit, the camera stopped itself for some reason. It's because if you reach a certain point, about 4 gigs for a file size, then the camera will shut itself down. So okay, I'm going to go on Bluetooth. Alright, now I'm gonna connect the keyboard to the Surface Pro 2, and I'm gonna run a typing test on this. Cool. Alright, then ten fast fingers. What I like about this keyboard compared to my Surface Pro 2 is that it has more depth to it. Because you can actually, like, when you click down, you need pressure to actually, like, press it. So that's what I like. Then I'm gonna start typing test. Holy mo- okay. Let's do this. After another should come, don't. Indian chain, she line, feel, you learn us his many, oh shoot. Many school around city line does night other after most new should later be say food or which the group example saw let no let name name men more no stop in together large but over intel name for. Okay, so 50 words per minute, which is okay. My usual word per minute for my actual keyboard is about 80 words per minute, so not bad. And okay, I think that's pretty much all I have to talk about for this keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in buying this keyboard, I'll put the link down in the description. Peace out and have a good day.